Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the Apple Intelligence download stuck error in your iPhone 17. So, at first what I recommend doing is to make sure that your language in your iPhone is correct. So, the region and your language should match. So for example, I'm in Poland here, and to use Apple Intelligence, I can use my region like set to Poland, but I can't really have the language. So at first, go to the general, scroll down so that you can see language and region right here. And now make sure that here you have English. Like here to have, I guess, against iPhone language, but that's not matter. That doesn't matter. Here, English, search. As I can see, iPhone languages: English UK, English Australia, and English India. Select your own language. It doesn't really matter which you select here. The only thing that matters is that you have to just have English or the language which is available on the list. You can search Apple Intelligence languages that are available, and this should work for you. Apart from that, tap X button here, X here, and tap region. Here you have to select the region from the list. I mean, not yours. If it's not available in your region, you have to just select different region. For example, United States, to make sure that everything will be working fine. Select United States. I know that it won't work for Apple Cash, for example, etc. But yeah, and that's it. And now you need to just force Save to re-authorize your data, and you should be fine. If you aren't, you need to just contact device support, because it may just be broken and we can't fix it using this software. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.